On November 3, 1957, a small, unassuming stray dog from the streets of Moscow embarked on a journey that would forever etch her name into the annals of history, but at a cost that still tugs at our heartstrings. Her name was Laika, and she was sent into space to never return. This is the story of her ultimate sacrifice, a tale that blends scientific triumph with ethical quandary. But here's where it gets controversial. Was Laika's mission a noble step forward for humanity, or a moral misstep in the race to conquer the stars? Let's dive in. Laika, a gentle mixed-breed dog weighing just 6 kilograms, was chosen for her calm demeanor and petite size, making her perfectly suited for the cramped quarters of the Sputnik 2 capsule. Her selection wasn't random. Soviet scientists saw in her the ideal candidate to endure the rigors of space travel. But this is the part most people miss. Laika's mission was never intended to bring her back. In the midst of the Cold War space race between the Soviet Union and the United States, her flight symbolized both the pinnacle of scientific achievement and the ethical dilemmas of progress. To prepare her for the unknown, Laika underwent rigorous training. She was confined to increasingly smaller spaces to mimic the capsule's interior, spun in centrifuges to simulate launch forces, and fed a jelly-like diet designed for consumption in weightlessness. These measures were meant to ensure her survival, at least temporarily. Sputnik 2's launch came just a month after the success of Sputnik 1, leaving engineers with little time to develop robust life support systems. Laika's primary role was to test the biological effects of space travel, providing data crucial for future human missions, including Yuri Gagarin's historic flight just 4 years later. Telemetry systems monitored her vital signs, heartbeat, breathing, and movement, while a small camera captured her journey in orbit. Initial Soviet reports claimed she survived for several days, but decades later, the truth emerged. Laika died within hours, overwhelmed by stress and overheating when the cabin's cooling system failed. Was her suffering justified by the advancements it enabled? This question continues to spark debate among scientists, ethicists, and animal lovers alike. Despite her tragic end, Laika's mission marked a turning point in space exploration. It demonstrated that living organisms could withstand the physical stresses of launch and orbit, paving the way for human spaceflight. Today, she is honored as a symbol of courage and sacrifice, with monuments in Moscow commemorating her contribution. Her name remains synonymous with the early days of space exploration, a reminder that humanity's greatest achievements often come at profound costs. Laika's brief journey beyond Earth's cradle is a poignant testament to the sacrifices made in the pursuit of knowledge. But as we reflect on her story, we must ask ourselves, how far is too far in the name of progress? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you see Laika's mission as a triumph or a tragedy? The conversation starts here.